Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this section we are going to discuss about return delivery and subsequent delivery. First we are chosen this scenario as an example. We order 10 t-shirts to a one vendor. The vendor sent 10 t-shirts to our stores. While checking those receiving t-shirts, 2 t-shirts are found to be damaged or poor in quality. So we decided to return those damaged t-shirts to a vendor. This process is called return delivery. While receiving 10 t-shirts, 2 t-shirts are found to be defective. So we are decided to return these 2 t-shirts. This is called return delivery. And while in subsequent delivery, we returning these 2 t-shirts and we receive replacement for these 2 t-shirts is called subsequent delivery. While returning 2 t-shirts, this is called return delivery, and receiving replacement for these 2 t-shirts is called subsequent delivery. I hope guys you understand the basic outline. Now we are going into practical section. First I am going to create purchase order. Using T code MA21N we can create purchase order. I am given here my supplier. I hope guys you know about the creation of purchase order. Just I'm going through the flow because we have don't too much time to explain about all the things. I will explain about subsequent delivery and return delivery in this process in this video. I will create another separate video for creating purchase order and credit memo. I'm going to check. While checking, there is no warning messages issued here. So I'm going to save this purchase order. Before going to receive goods, we are going to check our stocks. Here you can see our stocks. We already post a types of stocks video. Here you can see unrestricted use stocks, quality inspection stocks, reserved stocks, on order stocks, receipt reservation, and GR blocked stocks and blocked stocks. Now we are going to receive upcoming stocks for unrestricted use. So we're going to here you have to give goods receipt purchase order because we are receiving for purchase order. Now you can see we are ordering 10 stocks. You can see here we are the types of stocks, quality inspection. We are going to receive these stocks in unrestricted use. So I took here unrestricted use. Here you can check all the details. And now we are going to click on item OK and I have to show on you. Here you can see the unrestricted use stock is 58. Now we are going to receive 10 stocks to the unrestricted use. So while I am checking, document is okay. So we are going to post. Click on post. The material will be posted. The material document 81. Now you can see this 58 is going to change 68. You can see here now the stock is 68. So we are receiving stocks to unrestricted use. We can receive in quality inspection also, or we can receive in blocked stocks or GR block. Any type you want to receive, you can receive. I am receiving in unrestricted use. Now I am going to show how to return delivery. Now receiving 10 stocks, while checking 2 stacks are found to be defective or poor in quality or any other reason, we want to return those 2 stocks. So we are going to return delivery. Here you can see we have given the posting material document number. Now you can see the 10 stocks we are receiving. Now we are going to return only 2 stocks. So we have to change here the stock quantity. So I am given here as 2. Now the important one thing is movement type. You can see the movement type is 122. Here you can see the symbol negative. I will show you the movement type 122 return delivery to vendor. It is one of the important interview questions. Which is the movement type used to return delivery? Now we click on item OK and check, enter a reason for movement. We have to give the reason for the movement. I am giving damaged. The reason is damage. You should give the reason to return delivery. So I am given here is damaged goods. Now I am going to check. Now you can see document is okay. So I am going to post. Now you can see now you can see the stocks. Here you can see the stock is 68. While we are going to returning those 2 stocks. So the stock will be decreased from 68 to 66. Here you can see I'm going to refresh. Oh, sorry guys, I'm still not posted. Yeah, just we are checking. We are going to post. Now the material document 82 is posted. So now we are going to check. Here you can see the stock is coming to 66. Now we are going to subsequent delivery procedure. We return the delivery to a, we return the goods to a vendor, and the vendor again return the good t-shirts to our stores. So we are going to receive stocks, going to subsequent delivery, enter material document and give the material document number and click enter. Here automatically two stocks are coming because we are sending two stocks to the vendor. Now you can see the movement type is 101 plus. It is also one of the most important question asked in interviews nowadays. The movement type is goods received for purchase order into warehouse by stores. Now we are going to click on item OK and check. Here you can see the stock is now 66. While receiving the incoming two stocks, the stock is increased to 68. Now we are going to receive the stocks. So subsequent delivery. The important thing you have to notice here, subsequent delivery and material document number, movement type. Now our document is okay, so we are going to post it. Click on post button. The material document number is now changed 83. Now we are going to check the stocks in stock overview. Now we can check here. Here our stock is increased to 68. I hope guys you understand about subsequent delivery and return delivery. In an upcoming video we will discuss about credit memo. Now we are going to know about the purchase order history. I hope guys you understand. First we are receiving 10 goods and we return 2 goods to a vendor, and after that we are receiving 2 goods. Here you can see the material movement type, posting date and material document. I hope guys you understand. Please stay tuned guys. Please subscribe our channel. We will discuss about credit memo and some important topics in an upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.